So we are now witnessing major escalation in the province of Idlib, where the Assad regime, supported by Russia, is continuing its military assault. This follows the Turkish Operation Peace Spring in northeastern Syria, in this region, where the YPG was being forced out 30 kilometers from the Turkish border. But what we are now witnessing in this province is that the Assad regime, supported by Russia and Iran recently, are pushing against the Syrian opposition, who had to withdraw almost to the northwest side of the M5 and M4 highway. And now the current situation is being escalated in the town of Serakib, because in this region, the Turkish armed force have established 4 observation points closing each road to the city. But however, the Assad regime force have been encircled now the city. In the meantime, the Turkish armed force are continuing to send reinforcements via the Turkish border into Idlib, and they have established a major military point in Taftanas. So we're looking into the speech of President Erdogan and looking to the ground developments. We may be ahead of a major escalation, maybe a direct confrontation between the Turkish armed force and the regime militias in Idlib, as the Turkish armed force have reinforced the region with tanks, armored vehicles, and many soldiers. However, there is one important aspect, and this is the air superiority over Idlib. Currently, Russia controls with its S-400 systems the airspace over Idlib, and the Turkish armed force have not penetrated into this area for a long time. But when it comes to an escalation, it's been expected that the Turkish Air Force will penetrate the airspace over Idlib despite the Russian air superiority. And here maybe the experience with the Israeli Air Force might be an example of how the Turkish Air Force can penetrate Idlib. And I think Turkey and Russia may be ahead of a major escalation.